prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta and then plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Right. Now we should always try to attack the RHS, attack the LHS, so that it should be equated to the RHS. You just identify the trigonometry functions. These are very simple functions, sin theta, cos theta, that's all. But in the case of LHS, you have tan theta, secant theta, and then you got 1 also. Always you can target on 1, like that is which are the trigonometric functions or trigonometric identities that can give you 1. Let us try out some basic formula. We know very well sin squared theta, what is that? Tell me. Plus
Sin squared is cos squared theta
is equal to 1. Another formula 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. So now we can bring this tan squared to the other side. Therefore secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. Similarly, we have 1 plus cos squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. Okay, so we can bring this cos squared theta to the other side, so that you will get cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta is equal to 1. So you have to remember these two derived formula also. So these 3 formula that give you 1 on the RHS. Do you understand this? Right. Now based on that, instead of 1, we can replace this with the secant squared theta minus tan squared theta, because we have got tan theta, secant theta, so the same format can be got here. So replace this one. Let us consider LHS, where we have to replace this 1 by this formula. You can proceed. So tan theta, write down, tan theta plus secant theta minus, and you can put, instead of 1 you can write this formula, is it not? That is secant squared theta minus tan squared theta, close the bracket. Then you can write as such this one. So tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay. Now you just look at it. This is almost in the algebraic identity formula, a squared minus b squared. So we know a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can work out the same formula here. Therefore tan theta plus secant theta minus, open the bracket, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Do you understand? Whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Do you understand this? So this is tan theta plus secant theta. Remember this. Okay. Now what you can do, this is tan theta plus secant theta. Here also you got secant theta plus tan theta. That is also equal to tan theta plus secant theta. So you can take tan theta plus secant theta outside the bracket as GCD. Are you able to follow? So you can take this as a whole. Therefore, next step is GCD. Taking outside the bracket. Which one is taken outside? This being the common term. Let us consider these are two terms. Okay. So secant theta
Secant theta
plus tan theta can be taken outside the bracket. Now it becomes what? Now you have to divide by this. When you divide this by tan theta plus secant theta, this becomes 1. And then minus, then again open the bracket and put square bracket here. So the remaining is secant theta minus tan theta. Got it? So close the bracket. Now tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now let us expand it further. Secant theta plus tan theta, and you can write this as 1. What about this? Minus or minus plus. So you can put, and this is minus, is it not? So 1 minus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta, and then minus secant theta, is it not? So you have got 1 plus tan theta, minus secant theta. So that can be cancelled, is it not? So tan theta, because both of them are same term only. Secant theta plus 1. Do you understand this? So you can strike out fully. Okay. Now the remaining term is what? That is secant theta plus tan theta. That can be written as, what is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. Got it? Plus, what about tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now we can take LCM. So cos theta is the LCM. Now 1 plus sin theta, and that is RHS. Hence the proof. Got it? Okay. You understand this? So what are the key steps involved in this problem? We have to select the important formula here. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is used here. That is number 1. Second, we have used this a squared minus b squared formula, number 2. Third, we have applied GCD, and thereby we have taken secant theta plus tan theta outside the bracket. And fourth, we have striked out. Then we know already that the secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. You can follow this. Do you understand? Can you do now? Right.